Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Gary, your bearded woodworker. Today's project's going to be a quick one. Hopefully, it's going to be a scrap bin project. I need to build a side table for my son at his chair in the living room, and it needs to hold his gaming system, his Wii U pad, and he's got a phone that he charges, and then he also has the tablets when he does reading and stuff, a Kindle Fire. And I also want to give room to put his water glass and things, because right now he's kind of knocking things off. So I'm going to go through my scrap bin here, see what I've got. I just want to do something pretty simple, just a square or rectangular table with some legs and sturdy. Maybe I'll even put a drawer in it or something. I don't know. Let's see what we got. Got a lot of pallet wood. I got some leftover decking. That's 2x6. Don't know about that. Round dowel. There's some 1x. Ooh. This could be nice. Nice and thick. Could be a nice top. Run it through the planer. Put two of those together. I also have a 1x12 pine. I could also use at the top. That's pretty soft wood. This other stuff, a little thicker. From a pallet. Those might make some really good legs. Let's get that. Alright, I'm going to use some of this stuff from the pallet. It looks like, it looks like I got the nails out of it okay. Run it through the planer, and then I'm going to use this piece right here for the top. And save that for some other project. I'm going to make it roughly about 25-26 inches tall. And I think I'll make the tabletop a 16x16 perhaps. So now I'm just going to take this piece right here, cut it down to a more manageable size so I can stick it through my planer. So let's go to the chop saw and do that now. So I decided I wanted to do a tapered leg, and I've never done that before, but I know that you have to kind of make a jig. So I made a quick little jig. See that angle right there? And the leg fits on it, and that pushes it through, and this rides up against your fence of your table saw. Just like that. We'll see if it works. Check it. Sweet. I've decided to make it 16 by 20. Still recording? Okay, good. So I'm gonna edit out the struggle I just had with this. But finally turned out. I'm kind of happy. And we'll put the top on it here. Needs a good sanding. Kind of forgot I thought about putting in a drawer, but it looks like it might not have one. Maybe I'll put a shelf. Maybe I should put a little shelf underneath here. He can keep his books and stuff. Keep the top open. Anyways, let's give it a sanding. Put the top on and we'll see what it looks like. Good. Whoops. Well, here it is, the final project. Really happy how it turned out. This was my first table I've ever made. Making that jig for the tapered legs was simple, really easy to do, and it adds a little elegance to my scrap bin slash pallet table. So I got a little flack from my family for not putting the drawer in it because I said I would, but I forgot. And I chose not to put in the shelf right now. We'll give it a try. If it feels like it needs a shelf after we put everything and it's not working out, then I'll just go ahead and add that later. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and that little bell, bing, give you a little ding when I put up a new video. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Who cares? Thanks, guys. This is the Bearded Woodworker, out.